Hi, it's Marcy. I thought I'd show you what I've done. I'm experimenting with the stained glass stickers. These are transparent stickers that I printed on my inkjet. Look how pretty that looks. It's really fun for different projects, for your junk journal or your planner or for card making. I thought that this would make a really pretty Easter card, wouldn't it? Lots of ideas. So, I just bought from Amazon, this is like generic. It's transparent sticker paper. It's adhesive. It has, you print on the glossy side, like the setting I use on my Epson inkjet, my EcoTank. Is for, I just use the setting for glossy premium photo paper, premium glossy paper, glossy premium, whatever. And so this side is shiny and it's clear. This is the backing sheet. So you put it in your printer, you print on the shiny side, okay? Because this you peel off. I'll show you. So I printed these. I printed them nine to a page, 9 images, so they come out this size. And what you want to do is make sure you do all your cutting before you peel the sticker off, because I found it's really hard to cut them because they're super flexible, and so just the sharpest scissors that you have, cut real close without cutting off any of your design, your pretty design. Just cut around it. And the reason I say the sharpest scissors that you have, because if it catches, it'll start to peel off. So to get it off, you just stick this in between. I have to get it real close to my face so you just do that. And now it's ready to stick down on whatever you want. And hang on to this, because I use that to rub it, because you don't want to rub it with your hand. Let's see, let's put it on this paper, this music paper. Okay, and if you want to rub it, don't put it back on the side where it was stuck, because it'll try to stick back to it again. It's not real sticky, but it does, it might lift. So I just rub it on real good. And there you go. Looks so pretty. I'll leave you the links to these designers. One is Lemon Studio, I think is the name of it. And the other one, I don't remember the name, sorry. But these are both from Creative Fabrica. So if you have the subscription, you already have access to these. So like I said, just cut them out with the sharpest scissors that you have. For some reason, at the moment, my sharpest scissors are these little ones. Just cut them out. Don't peel them up don't peel them off the paper until you're ready to stick it down on something. But you could just cut them all out to the size that you want, and then, hold it up to whatever paper to see, how it would look. Like I wanted one just this width for the window of this envelope, so I used these narrow ones because they fit perfectly. But the other ones don't really matter. Just as long as, Of course, you can print them larger. I just chose to do 9 on a page because that was about the size I wanted. I will now show you screenshot video of me doing all the stuff on the computer with the the settings and whatnot for the printer, in case you are interested. So stay tuned. If not, and you already know how to do all this on your printer, then have fun, and we'll see you soon. Okay, on your computer, go to the folder where you have the images that you want to print. Just to make it easier for myself, I copied and pasted all of the images for this print job into one folder. So what you want to do is select all of the images that you want to print and then right-click and choose Print. I'm using Windows and an Epson EcoTank printer with the Epson Print utility installed. So this is what pops up when I choose Print. There are different print options, and what I want is 9 to a page. So on the right side, I click 9 to a page, and it shows me the print preview. If you choose 9 or 18 or some other number that is divisible by 9, it will come out perfect so you don't waste any paper. In this example, I had selected 20 images, so I canceled and went back to my image folder and selected 18 images, right-click, and chose Print. Then when I go back to the print window, it's exactly 2 pages with nothing wasted. Make sure you uncheck the box that says Fit Picture to Frame. Make sure you have the correct paper selected, the correct printer selected, the correct paper size, the print quality that you want, and the type of paper. For these stickers, I chose Epson Premium Glossy. Print your sticker paper in the printer and click Print. Make sure you let the ink dry completely before you start cutting the stickers out. Mine dried pretty fast actually, and by the time I found the music paper and vintage book pages that I wanted to use, the ink was dry. When you're printing on transparent sticker paper like this, anything that is a light color or white in your design is going to be transparent. So that will give you a really nice effect if you stick it down on a paper that has writing or a design on it. Just make sure that it's not a design that's going to compete with the image that's on your sticker. There were lots of different things you could print on this transparent sticky paper, but I thought stained glass windows would look so pretty for Easter or even for Christmas. So go crazy with these and comment below to let me know what you made. You can tag me on Facebook or Instagram too. I will leave you all the links below to my socials and the product links for the images that I used, and the Amazon link for the sticker sheets in case you don't have a supplier for those in your area. So ciao for now, and have lots of fun making pretty things. Bye-bye.